This is a residential building consisting of 14 floors, with a structural joint dividing it into two parts as shown in the 3D view. And it is also possible to note the presence of the structural joint from the plan of any floor. This is a CAD file visualizing the raft. For the structural analysis of the superstructure, the building will be separated into two parts and analyzed separately. For demonstrational purposes, we will analyze one part of the building using CSI tabs and the other part using PL-PAC. This is the part that will be analyzed using tabs. This is the other part that will be analyzed using the PL-PAC fixed base package. For analyzing the structure using PL-PAC, we can use the PL-PAC Revit link, then click on Analysis and Design, then click on Tall Building Wizard. And to analyze the structure using tabs, we can make a new model in tabs or export the Revit model to tabs using the CSI X Revit plugin. This is the model after exporting to tabs. After the analysis, export the F2K file. Choose the base story, then choose Export Floor Loads and Loads from above, then choose the load case, and then export the file. This is our raft that is modeled using the PL-PAC Foundation package. We are now ready to use the SuperSubCoupling tool to transfer loads from the superstructure to the substructure, noting that the superstructure output files must be in the same path of the tool. At first, we will export loads of the superstructure analyzed using PL-PAC by browsing the .gen file of the raft and then clicking on Export Forces to Substructure Model. Secondly, we will export loads of the superstructure analyzed using tabs by browsing the .gen file of the raft and the F2K file of the superstructure and then clicking on Export Forces to Substructure Model. Click on Open Substructure PLGen file. This is the substructure model. Click on File, Import, Text Format and choose the Load Transfer.txt file. All superstructure loads are now transferred to the substructure model. The upper part was analyzed using PL-PAC and the lower part was analyzed using tabs. Here we can see that the raft after importing the loads is similar to the raft plan drawn in the CAD file. It is clear that analyzing using PL-PAC and tabs is different, since in PL-PAC elements are modeled with real area while in tabs meshing is required. This is a 3D view of the substructure model with the loads transferred to it.